Can skipping breakfast actually make you healthier? It seems counterintuitive. After all, we've been conditioned to believe that breakfast kickstarts our metabolism and provides the energy we need to tackle the day ahead. But what if there's another way to achieve wellness that doesn't involve the traditional morning meal? We've always been told breakfast is the most important meal of the day. This belief has been ingrained in us from a young age, with countless experts and advertisements reinforcing the idea that a nutritious breakfast is essential for good health. Yet the practice of intermittent fasting, where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting, is challenging this notion. Intermittent fasting isn't just a diet. It's a lifestyle change that can potentially offer numerous health benefits. Could closing your kitchen for a portion of each day be the key to unlocking a healthier you? By limiting the hours during which you eat, you might give your body the time it needs to repair and rejuvenate. Millions are turning to intermittent fasting, drawn to its potential for weight loss, improved mental clarity, and even a longer lifespan. The appeal lies in its simplicity and the promise of significant health improvements without the need for complicated diets or extreme measures. It's a simple concept with potentially powerful results. By eating within a specific window of time, you can better control your calorie intake and give your digestive system a much-needed break. But is it right for everyone? While many have found success with intermittent fasting, it's important to consider individual health needs and consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your eating habits. And what does the science really say? Research on intermittent fasting is still evolving, but early studies suggest it can have positive effects on metabolism, brain function, and overall health. Let's delve into the world of intermittent fasting, particularly the popular 16-8 method, to uncover the truth about its benefits, risks, and whether it deserves a place in your wellness journey. By understanding the science and hearing from those who practice it, we can make informed decisions about our health and well-being. Intermittent fasting isn't about when you eat, but rather how you structure your eating periods. It's a pattern of eating that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. This method is not about restricting the types of food you consume, but about controlling the timing of your meals. It involves cycling between periods of eating and voluntary fasting on a regular schedule, which can be daily or weekly. Unlike traditional calorie restriction, intermittent fasting doesn't focus on limiting food choices or counting calories. Instead, it allows you to eat a variety of foods within a specific time frame. The emphasis is on compressing your daily eating window, which can help regulate your body's internal clock and improve metabolic health. The 16-8 method, also known as time-restricted feeding, is one of the most popular and sustainable approaches to intermittent fasting. This method involves fasting for 16 hours each day and consuming all your calories within an 8-hour window. For instance, you might choose to skip breakfast and have your first meal at noon, finishing your last meal by 8 p.m. This creates a manageable routine that can easily fit into most people's daily lives. The 16-8 method is flexible and can be adapted to suit different lifestyles and schedules. You can adjust your eating window to fit your personal schedule and preferences, making it a highly customizable approach. The key to success with intermittent fasting is consistency. Ensuring a daily 16-hour fast can help you achieve optimal results, including improved metabolic health and weight management. By maintaining a regular fasting schedule, you can create a sustainable and effective eating pattern that supports your overall health and well-being. Intermittent fasting isn't just another fad diet. It has gained significant traction in recent years, attracting attention from celebrities, health experts, and individuals seeking a sustainable approach to wellness. Celebrities like Hugh Jackman and Jennifer Aniston have attributed their fitness and health to intermittent fasting, further fueling its popularity. Wellness magazines and websites regularly feature success stories and expert advice on incorporating fasting into daily routines. This mainstream attention has contributed to a surge in research, shedding light on the potential benefits and risks of intermittent fasting. But as with any health trend, separating hype from scientific evidence is crucial. Beyond anecdotal evidence, a growing body of research supports the potential benefits of intermittent fasting, particularly the 16-8 method. Studies suggest it can positively impact various aspects of health, from metabolic function to cognitive performance. One significant area of interest is weight management. Research published in the journal Cell Metabolism found that time-restricted feeding led to weight loss and improved insulin sensitivity in overweight individuals. This suggests that compressing the eating window may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve metabolic health. Moreover, studies have linked intermittent fasting to improved brain function. Researchers at Johns Hopkins University found that fasting could enhance cognitive flexibility and memory in animal models. While more research is needed to understand the long-term effects on human cognition, these findings are promising. While intermittent fasting offers potential benefits, addressing potential risks and debunking common myths is crucial. It's important to understand that intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all solution and may not be suitable for everyone. People have different body types, ages, and health conditions, which means what works for one person might not work for another. Individuals with certain medical conditions, such as diabetes, eating disorders, or other chronic health issues, need to be particularly cautious. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also be careful and consult their healthcare providers before attempting intermittent fasting. Consulting with a healthcare provider ensures that you get personalized advice tailored to your specific health needs and conditions. It's essential to prioritize your health and well-being and seek personalized advice. This can include recommendations on how to balance fasting with other aspects of a healthy lifestyle, such as exercise and mental well-being. One common misconception is that fasting equates to starvation. This is not true. Intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat, not necessarily what you eat. The idea is to have specific eating windows during which you consume your meals. During your eating window, you still consume a balanced diet to meet your nutritional needs. It's crucial to ensure that your meals are nutritious and balanced, providing all the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs. It's also important to note that intermittent fasting is not a magic bullet for weight loss. While it can be an effective tool, it should be part of a broader, healthy lifestyle. This includes regular exercise, a balanced diet, and other healthy habits. Intermittent fasting can complement these efforts, but it is not a substitute for them. Whether intermittent fasting is appropriate for you depends on individual factors, including your health status, lifestyle, and goals. It can be a valuable tool for some, while others may find it challenging or unsuitable. If you're generally healthy, have no underlying medical conditions, and are looking for a sustainable way to potentially improve your health and well-being, intermittent fasting could be worth exploring. However, consulting your doctor or a registered dietitian is always recommended before making significant dietary changes. Remember, listening to your body is crucial. If you experience any adverse effects while fasting, such as dizziness, fatigue, or headaches, stop immediately and consult a healthcare professional. If you're considering incorporating intermittent fasting into your routine, starting gradually is key. Begin by pushing back your breakfast time by an hour or two each day until you reach your desired fasting window. Hydration is crucial during fasting periods. Drink plenty of water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee to stay hydrated and curb hunger pangs. When breaking your fast, focus on consuming nutrient-rich foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your chosen fasting schedule as closely as possible to reap the potential benefits. And most importantly, listen to your body and adjust your approach as needed. The scientific community continues to explore the potential of intermittent fasting. Recent studies have delved into its effects on various health markers, including inflammation, cellular repair, and disease prevention. Emerging research suggests that intermittent fasting may activate cellular pathways that promote longevity and protect against age-related diseases. However, these findings are still preliminary and require further investigation. Leading health organizations, such as the Harvard School of Public Health, acknowledge the potential benefits of intermittent fasting, but emphasize the importance of individualization and consulting with a healthcare professional. Intermittent fasting, particularly the 16-8 method, has garnered significant attention as a potential tool for improving health and well-being. While research suggests potential benefits, it's essential to approach it with a balanced perspective. Fasting is not a magic bullet, and it's not suitable for everyone. It's crucial to separate hype from evidence-based information and prioritize your health and well-being. If you're considering intermittent fasting, consult your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine if it aligns with your individual needs and goals. Remember, the journey to wellness is personal, and finding sustainable approaches that work for you is key. What are your thoughts on intermittent fasting? Share your experiences and insights in the comments below.